Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by making sure both Google Maps and Instagram are signed in and allowed to use your device location. This speeds the whole workflow. Open Google Maps, find the place or drop a pin, and tap to share so you capture exact coordinates and the location name. Once done, copy the location link or note the place title. This is what you'll attach to your Instagram content. Make sure permissions stay enabled to avoid interruptions. Now you create your content on Instagram. Choose Story, Post, or Reel because each supports location differently. For stories, add the location sticker and search the Google Maps place name. For posts, tap Add Location before publishing. If the place doesn't appear, switch to the Google Maps coordinates or the exact place title you copied earlier. This ensures Instagram links to the correct map entry. Make sure to preview how the location displays so followers can tap through. Finish by reviewing your content and ensuring the location tag links to Google Maps when tapped. This verifies everything works. If Instagram can't find the exact place, use the copied coordinates or create a nearby business or landmark entry in Google Maps so Instagram can recognize it. If tags won't attach, close and reopen both apps, toggle device location services, and try again. Simple restarts often fix permission or caching glitches. If problems persist, update the app.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.